right, today we're going to talk about some teen numbers. And as you see, I have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. And we're going to talk about the teen numbers that go with those numbers. So what comes after 5? We have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now let's talk about the numbers that come after 10. Next we would have 11. And here's the number 11. And you can see it has a 1, just like the 10 has a 1 in the front of the 0. And then it has a 1 on the end. I'm going to match that number up with 11. So you can see a 1 and then 1, 1. So here's my next number that comes after 11 is going to be 12. It has a 1 in it, just like the 10 has a 1 in it, and a 2. So here's I'm going to put it right underneath. So I have a 2 and I have a 12. There's 1 and 2 is 12. Here's my next numbers. So after 12 comes the number 13. Guess what's going to be on it? A 1 and a 3. So as I go past 10, I have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. So what do you think's coming next? That's right, 1, 4, 14. And then after 14 would be 1, 5, 15. So let's talk about the sound of the words real quick. 11 and 12 have different names than the other numbers. They don't say teen at the end. But once you get past 11 and 12, you have 13, which kind of sounds like 3-teen. So 13. And then you have 14, which kind of sounds like 4-teen. Then you have 15, which kind of sounds like 5-teen. 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's keep going if we can. I'm going to scoot these guys up a little bit so you can see a little better. Move them up. So here's my 6, and to make it after 15 comes 16, a 1 and a 6. After 16 comes 17. So there's my 17. And then next I have the 8 for 18. The 9 for 19. And then this one has a different name. It's 20. But you can see the 20 is just like the 10. It has a 0 at the end, but it has a 2 in the front instead of a 1 in the front. And this is 20. So let's take away these numbers and kind of take a look at what we have here. So after we get to the number 10, we have 11 and 12. They have different names. It's kind of like 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and it goes all the way. That's how you can remember the names and remember what order they go in. So we have 11 and 12. Then we have 13, or you could say 3-teen to help you remember. 14, 15, kind of sounds like 5-teen. 16, 17, 18, 19. And then you have to remember that the next one is called 20. All right, that's the end of our lesson for today. Have a great day.